Y'all, welcome back to another episode of G-Man Fishing on the D Shoots for steelhead, whitefish, trout, whatever bites. We're gonna put out the side planner this morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hopefully these guys ain't gonna cast over my line. They're down there fishing for whitefish. We're up here fishing for steelhead starting off. We got some people showing up today to fish with us today. So I don't know how much fishing we'll do for steelhead, because I think they're going to be fishing for whitefish mostly. Just because I don't think they're set up legally for steelhead, so we'll see. Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, y'all. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. Fish on, y'all. Fish on, fish on, fish on, y'all. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Fish on. Yes, 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 yes. Fish on. Fish on, fish on. Fish on. Whew. Oh, it's way down there. Don't feel like a monster, but we'll take it. Feels like a good oh, the water is high. I thought it was. Side planing, very effective way to hook up on a fish. It's either trout or steelhead. I'm not real sure at this point. It's fighting. Oh, it's starting to grow, as they always do when you're getting them closer and closer. I want to move over to this rock here. That's I normally stand on, but it's almost covered in water. That's a good fish. Good solid fish. Good solid fish. Could it be my second keeper of the year? I don't know. We'll find out. We will definitely find out. Give us time. Got us hung up somewheres down there. We may have to go after it. Got it, 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 got it. Got it, got it, got it. Got it, oh yeah. Nice fish. It ain't nothing monstrous, but I don't even think it's a steelhead at this point. I think it's just a trout of sorts at this point in the stage of the game. We'll find out though. Oh yeah, just a nice trout. Nice trout. Heck yeah. We'll take it. Nice hen, y'all. Check it out. Oh man, that's one of the bigger ones. One of the bigger ones, y'all. So we got a really beautiful fish right here. Really beautiful trout. Take a picture, send it on its way. Boom. Nice fish. Wow. It hit the Michael Jackson behind the side planter, and that makes me very happy. Very happy, y'all. I mean, that's a solid 20 and fish, and if I called it a stillhead, somebody would just tell me that it's a trout. So that's what we're gonna go with, a 20-inch, right color to be a stillhead trout. I mean, that is definitely 20+ inch fish, y'all. Kissed it, now it's time to let it go. See? Yes, yeah. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about, y'all. Beautiful fish.